Hi, and welcome to the Primary School Art Zone. I'm Yasmin. I help primary school art teachers save time planning, researching, assessing, and implementing their lessons by creating ready-to-go Australian curriculum-aligned art units and other resources that you and your students will love. With 15 plus years of primary teaching experience, 3 of which were in the art room, trust me when I say I get the ongoing demands teachers face on top of our main gig, which is to create meaningful and engaging lessons for our students. So, if you're beyond buggered and just wish you had more time for yourself, your friends, your family, Netflix, or whatever tickles your fancy, then you're in the right place because I created the Primary School Art Zone just for you. Stay tuned because there's so much more to come as we begin what I hope will be a fabulous art teaching journey together. Until next time, take care and stay arty.